Magandang araw Kabola. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin nagaganap po ngayon sa semifinals po sa PBA, pero malamang pag na-post po ito tapos na siguro, pero may mga points pa rin doon na maganda pong pag-usapan Kabola. And of course, the top trade assets po ng Blackwater, Terra Firma at Converge. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Simulan na muna natin Kabola sa mga comments. Sabi po ni John D5478, NSD fan ako pero mas okay kung medyo balance yung mga team para may thrill naman. Di predicted kung sinong team yung makakapasok sa finals, diba? I do believe na talagang ramdam na ito ng mga fans Kabola, ramdam na rin actually sa viewership and etc. Matagal naman ng ramdam Kabola, pero ngayon parang ako mismo sa personal nararamdaman ko na rin na parang paulit-ulit na lang Kabola yung nakikita natin, at in a way yun yung dahilan kaya wala or kumukonti po yung excitement. Kaya nga nung pumasok yung Phoenix, sobrang ganda sa pakiramdam Kabola. It's not really about hate towards the conglomeracy, it's about the reality na a new team, di ba? Basta may bago kasi maganda panoorin. At yun yung naramdaman ko Kabola nung nakita natin yung Phoenix na nakapasok po sa semis. Now, speaking po of semis, of course, nung ito po ay ating pong nire-record, nag-0 to po ang San Miguel Kabola at Ginebra, lamang po ang San Miguel, so 2-0 na sila. Now, ang isang napansin ko lang Kabola, kinita ko kasi yung mga post sa mga fan pages ng Ginebra Kabola, mga comments ng mga fans nila, but para sobrang aga namang mag-give up Kabola ng mga fans ngayon ng Ginebra. Diba? Diba kayo ang never say die team Kabola, but yung mga fans para ang aga nilang mag-give up. Although, looking at the game nga naman, mapapag-give up ka talaga. Sobrang ganda talaga kasi nang nilalaro ng San Miguel, fit na fit excellent talaga yung boat right Diba? He is the right guy to be part of that boat Kabola with Junmar Pajardo and other parts of the team Kabola. And to be honest, yung sabi dito ni Coach George, that 15, may reality yan. Sobrang lalim na ng lineup nila Kabola. Yung kanilang even 11 to 15 pwede nang panapat sa mga teams ko na Terra Firma at Blackwater Kabola. Ganun na sila kalalim Kabola. Kaya naman nagpapanalo po sila, diba? Now, punta na tayo sa top trade assets po ng tatlong teams na naunang na ligwak. Blackwater po tayo, Troy Rosario. Wala na kasi yung talagang makita ang future nila Kaya I think they really need to decide po Kabola to just focus in the future, diba? Kasi kung magpo-focus try pa rin nila makipag-compete Kabola, kahit pa yung sinabi nila na under Coach Jeff Carriazo, papasok na sila sa playoffs, etc. Wala diba? If you look at their current core, hindi nito kaya Kabola hindi nito kaya. And pag import confidence naman, yung mga kinukuha nilang import, hindi rin naman kaya, diba? So, for them, I think the best na lang, i-trade nila yung mga current po nila na old stars Kabola, like Troy Rosario, and get that young piece. And I do believe Troy Rosario actually has a good trade market right now. I think maganda ang mga offers for Troy. And trading him means they will lose more games, means they have a better chance for that number 1 pick. Getting that number 1 pick means a better future for them. Of course, I'm looking at them as a serious team Ganun po yung atin pong ginagawa dito. Terra Firma, again, I'm also looking at them as a serious team. Pero ibang case ng Terra Firma, if you look at them as a serious team Kabola, makikita mo actually na nasa tamang landas na sila. Diba? Kasi matagal na yung last nila actually na pamigay na trade Kaya ngayon nakapag-ipon na naman sila ng magandang core diba? Stephen Holt, biglang pumutok yung Javi. Gomez Deliano Kabola. Of course, Wami Chongson is still there Kabola. Itong si Kenmar Carino, very underrated. Isaac Go, nandun pa rin po Kabola. Kahilig is nandun pa rin. Diba? I think it's very loaded. They are very young Kabola, and I think the future is bright as long as they keep the core. Pero I think Wami Chongson, you can already trade him. At 32 years old, trading him now for more in line sa timeline nila Kabola, and maybe a big man Kabola that will assure a much deeper front line, I think that will be the way for Terra Firma to go here. Kasi yung future nila, in a way, bata na yung ibang mga players nila Javi, bata yan. Taylor Miller, bata po yan. Isaac Go, bata yan Kabola. In a way, future-proof na sila yan. Kailangan nila ngayon in prime Kabola na mas fit, and I think trading Wami Chongson for a star caliber na ibang posisyon Kabola na nasa 28 to 30, I think that's the way to go. And losing Wami Chongson is not that bad kasi nga Stephen Holt is there to eat up the minutes. Taylor Miller is there. I think he deserves some minutes, and even the other guys, young guards, could be something special na mapupuntan po ng minuto. Converge, ito medyo medyo mahirap kasi parang pantay-pantay, very young team na sila. Aljon Melesio na pili natin Kabola. Actually, quality guard naman. I think he can have a very long career in the PBA, pero looking at it, Kabola, I think Melesio, Kabola, is not at par in terms of potential kina Alex Stockton, Kabola, and then yung iba pa pong gwardiya, De Los Santos, Kabola na gwardiya po ng Converge. So I think trading him, Kabola, for maybe a big man or picks, Kabola, will be worth it. And I think hindi yun mararamdaman ng Converge, kaya sa palagay natin siya po yung kanilang top trade asset. Kabaka ba sa palagay mo? Sino ang top trade assets po ng Converge? Comment lang po sa baba.